Shinil, this is a company producing the scourer or scrubber, as you can see. So we have two extreme products. One is a metal scrubber, and the other one is a cloth scrubber. So these two are extremely different usage. So metal scrubber, this is screw patterns, and this is also rust-free, no rust.
Oh,
and yes,
no rust.
also, depending on the customer's need, you can also make an antibacterial treatment. And this is very useful for disturbing dirt and grease attached to your dishware. So it is very effective in terms of grease or grime, those kind of oily dirt. And on the other hand, this one is a cloth. It's a polyester. The material is a polyester.
It comes with different colors.
Yes, different color. It is not used for the stubborn dirt. Rather, it is you're not going to harm your dishware. It is very precious dishware. You don't want to have it kind of scratch anything. In that case, you need to use this polyester cloth.
Yes, I know. I mean, when you try to wash off a pan after you use it, and when you try so hard and you scratch off the coating, it hurts. Well, it scratches my heart as well. So in case of that, I think you'll need this cloth tie.
Yes. So these two extreme different products needed for your kitchen, because this one is for the stubborn dirt, this one is for the soft dirt. So both of them are necessary items for those who are very much stick to or love to have a beautiful dishware.
And I think this is really cute indeed, It's very cute. And I'm not really sure if this will be seen. There's a middle, the
layers of the polyester.
Yes, so is the two layers different, or is it
the same thing? But what it makes the effectiveness is that easy dry and
it dries fast.
And also easy dry, easy cleaning, and also no odor because it is quickly dry. The dirt will never stay for a longer time, so you can keep it clean. And also durability wise, this one and this one, I can guarantee you can use as long as you want.
Really? How long?
Depending on how often you use this, but the maker guarantee that it will be used for a longer time.
Oh, sorry.
And also this Shinil, I just introduced two extreme products, but there are plenty of products they are producing, manufacturing. So sponge and metals are also all sorts of metal products are available, and sponge products as well, pet sponge. So all can be customized depending on the customer's needs. And the cellulose sponge, some of them are all the natural ingredients, meaning that no harmful effect on your environment. So everything is it's prepared in the manufacturer catalog. So I strongly want you to visit their website or see this catalog.
So we'll be able to find the catalog in their website?
Of course.
Yes,
you can just search it. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're interested in buying your sponge in order to wash off the dirt inside your pan or so whatsoever, please visit the website of Shinil and make sure you read their catalog and see if they have the product that you wish to buy. I'm sure they have all about sponge, so please make sure you visit their website.